Dale.
¿En inglés o español?
Como quieras.
Esta canción es una canción irlandesa y hay un pasillo colombiano aguardense al fondo. ¿Por qué no? Y me voy a cantar. Porque esta canción es una canción muy antigua de los irlandeses, los marineros. Y ellos cantaban así, sin instrumentos. When I was a little boy, so my mother told me, way all the way, we haul away, Joe, that if I did not kiss the girls, my lips would all grow moldy. Way all the way, we'll haul away, Joe. Sing way all the way, we're bound for better weather. Tell me, way all the way, we'll haul away, Joe. St. Patrick was a decent man, born of decent people. Tell me, way all the way, we'll haul away, Joe. He built the church in Dublin town, and on it put a steeple. Tell me, way all the way, we'll haul away, Joe. Sing way all the way, we're bound for better weather. Tell me, way all the way, we haul away, Joe. St. Patrick was a decent man, born of decent people. Tell me, way all the way, we haul away, Joe. He built the church in Dublin town, and on it put a steeple. Tell me, way all the way, we haul away, Joe. Sing way all the way, we're bound for better weather. Tell me, way all the way, we haul away, Joe. Up she goes. Y así era con los irlandeses, los marineros. Canciones muy bullosas, más bullosas que los paisas. Claro,